Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky is preparing French Beans Stir Fry, which is a stir fry made using French beans. This recipe is very short and very simple, and quite frankly, sometimes the shortest and simplest recipe turns out to be the tastiest. So let's check it out by starting with the ingredients. The main ingredients, and now the seasoning ingredients. Preparation. Wash and cut off the ends of the French beans. Make sure you're using fresh and tender French beans. Then slice them diagonally as shown. Method. Heat oil in a wok. Then drop in the sliced onions and green chillies. Fry until the onions turn translucent. Add in the French beans and a tablespoon of water. Mix. Close and simmer for a couple of minutes. Add in the chopped tomatoes and salt. Mix and continue to cook. Now add in the desiccated coconut. Cook on low heat for a couple of minutes. Now for the seasoning. Heat oil in a small pan. Make sure the oil is not too hot, else the ingredients will burn. Add in the mustard seeds, and when the mustard seeds start to crackle, add in the crushed garlic and curry leaves. When the garlic turns light brown, drop the seasoning over the cooked beans. Then mix and cover and simmer for a couple of minutes. This is a good time to taste and add salt if required. I told you, this was a very short and easy recipe. Thank you for stopping by. Do give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. If you liked this simple and easy recipe, be sure to like, share and subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.